Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. The learned single judge held that normally a petition on such a submission would succeed, but where the court, after perusing the record, could itself arrive at a particular conclusion that would support the ultimate decision. Writ jurisdiction under Article 226 of the Constitution of India should not be exercised since substantial justice has been done. Stop. On this basis, the learned single judge examined the records on which reliance was placed by the appellant, and having found that there was discrepancy, declined to interfere with the order of termination. Stop. The learned single judge has also relied upon the judgment of the Supreme Court of India in case of R. Viswanatha versus State of Kerala. Stop. Para. The principal challenge of the appellant is that since the order of termination was passed without issuing a charge sheet and without conducting a disciplinary proceeding, the principles of natural justice had been violated. Stop. The learned counsel for the appellant has submitted that the learned single judge was not justified in inquiring into the evidence for the first time in exercise of the writ jurisdiction under Article 226 of the Constitution of India. Stop. Moreover, it was submitted that the judgment of the Supreme Court in R. Viswanatha (Supra) is squarely not applicable to the situation in the present case, where an order of termination has been passed against a permanent employee without even convening a disciplinary inquiry on a substantive charge of misconduct. Stop. Para. A counter affidavit was filed on behalf of the state before the learned single judge, in which it was stated that a letter dated 26/4/2004 was written by the Special Secretary Government of UP in response to the letter of the Principal Secretary dated 18/3/2004 instructing all the Chief Medical Officers, Superintendents of the district through the Director, Medical and Health Services, UP, Lucknow to conduct a verification of the appointments made and to make available the information within 15 days of the receipt of the letter. Stop. The Superintendent of Police Vigilance Department had written a letter to the Chief Medical Officer, Chitrakoot, to issue instructions to health workers working under him to be present at the sector office on 23/3/2004 in respect of an inquiry/investigation being done by the concerned inspector. Stop. Moreover, it was stated that the Registrar, Uttar Pradesh Nurses and Midwives Council, Lucknow, had also issued a letter dated 23/2/2010 to the Chief Medical Officers, Chitrakoot, informing him, in response to a letter dated 10/2/2010, that the registration certificate and the mark sheets relating to the appellant are fabricated. Stop. Para. The admitted position before the court is that the appellant worked as a health worker (female) right from the date of her appointment on 4/1/1990 until the order of termination, which was passed on 30/11/2010. Stop. Prior to that, on 29/10/2010, a notice to show cause was issued to the appellant calling upon her to produce documentary evidence for verification of the documents within 3 days. Stop. Pursuant thereto, the appellant appeared before the second respondent and produced the documentary material on which she placed reliance. Stop. Over.